This week has been very special for us in the office in the European Parliament because Alice Rowlands has been here with us. Can you explain, Alice, how you came to be here?
Oh, well, I had to write an essay for Europe Direct about the enlargement of the EU within my region, and then a group of us went to Strasbourg with the best essays, but I happened to win, so I got a week's work experience here in Brussels. So.
Well, congratulations on that. You've seen obviously here in Brussels there are so many things going on all the time, not just the committees, but there are different meetings and different events. Have you been able to go to things that were of particular interest to you?
Yes, yeah, I've been to a lot, like about foreign affairs and environmental affairs, and it's been really interesting because there's been so much happening. Really, it's a shame I couldn't go to more, but it hasn't been time in the day because I've been to ones about the Rio meeting, and then I went to one about stability bonds just now, and that's been really interesting actually.
And that's very topical, of course, the stability
topical.
bonds from the euro crisis going on.
I feel like I'm right in the centre of things, where everything's happening. It's really interesting.
And as someone from Wales, how do you see that? You know that Wales, we're not in the euro, of course, but we are very much in the EU, and things are very important for Wales, like the agricultural policy, which you know a lot about too.
Yes, I think it all seems really relevant. It's almost like I didn't expect it to be, but it's all like everything that's happening. Like today I was at something about Europe airport security, and it's like it's really in the middle of everything, and it's all quite relevant to Wales and the people of Wales, I think, definitely.
Well, you were still studying. You've got some time to go before you decide to go to university or on a career, but might you consider coming back to the EU, to Brussels, to work in the future? I think
it's a really interesting place to work because everything's different all the time, and there's all these different kind of your job never get monotonous. I definitely consider it.
That's true.
Definitely.
That's true.
Yeah.
Well, it's been lovely having you here for this week. I'm glad you've enjoyed it, and I hope you'll go back and tell everyone in Wales just how relevant Europe is, because I think people don't always see how important the work that we do here is. But of course, we are here raising the profile for Wales.
Yeah, I think it is important because there's not enough portrayal, I think, in the media of how important it is. So, yes.
Thank you very much,
Thank you for having me.